Polite requests used. Polite requests are used especially in work situations from a boss or between colleagues. Starting polite requests. We can start a request with "Would you mind?" "Could you or could you possibly?" "Do you think you could?" "It would be good if." "Are you able to?" "Are you able to finish the report for Friday?" "Do you think you could take the paperwork to be filed?" If you could ask them to be there by 11 p.m, that would be brilliant. "Could you come this way, Mrs. Norris?" "What I need from you is a draft of the marketing plan. So it would be good if you could pull something together for Friday." "Could you possibly send the minutes of the meeting?" "Would you mind calling Mr. Jones about the deal?" Offering. We can offer using "Would you like me to?" "How about "Do you want me to?" "Shall I?" "I could, if you want." "Would you like me to send it to you by email?" "I could try to call him if you want." "Shall I ask John for his advice?" "How about I give the presentation?" "Do you want me to include this part?" "If you want, I could start the analysis."